G'day, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's doing okay in lockdown. Today I'm just going to be doing a review on my 2022 specialized status. Here we go. So before I go into detail about the bike, I just want to say a huge thanks to Gert by Dirt, which is my local bike shop, for helping me out with this, and MTB Suspension Works, run by Travis, for helping get my suspension set up correct for me. So let's dive into the details. To start everything off, it's a 2022 specialized status size S3, which is equivalent to medium, and I just got the frame and I built it up to how I wanted it. So it's fully custom, blue, they call it battleship blue. It's kind of cool. I like it how they've like scribbled out status. It looks kind of cool. Had a couple of questions about why scribbled out like that. I don't know, but I like it. So for the bars, wheels, hubs and everything, I chose Spank because I really like their stuff and it's really good quality. Spank Spike 800s that I cut down to 770. And they are 30mm rise vibrocore bars. So they've got like foam inside them to help reduce arm pump over the rough terrain. For the wheels, we've also got Spank 359 downhill vibrocore wheels. They've also got a layer of foam inside them to help with arm pump and fatigue to keep you on the bike longer. For suspension, on the up front, I've got some RockShox Zebs. They are like by far the nicest forks I've ever ridden, and I really like the look of them. This is MTB Suspension Works, Travis's company. He did a really good job of helping me set up the suspension and dial it in. And also on the back here, I've got a Fox Float DPX2. It works really, really well. I'm keen to get a coil for the future, but for now, I'm enjoying the float. For the stem, I've got a Spank Split 38mm stem, and the Spank top cap. It looks really cool, and it's nice and short, and it looks pretty sick. I've got the Spank seat. I chose this one, this is a Sam Reynolds edition. I chose that for specifically doing no-handed tricks and being able to pinch the seat really well. It's really nice, I really like it. For my coward levers, I'm running XTs. They're working so well, I love them. All the stopping power in the world. They're insane. They've got heaps of stopping power. It's really, really nice. Got a 4-pot. One of the most important parts on the bike is the drivetrain, and for that I've just got the SRAM GX drivetrain with the GX cassette. Got the GX cranks and chainring and everything, and then the chain, obviously, and the little purple crimp cap. I haven't had any problems with it so far, and it's been amazing. And for the pedals, I got the 1-ups. They are amazing. I've only had them for about a week, but they have all the grip in the world, and I have not slipped once. They are amazing. One really cool feature about this bike is the flip chip in the rear. In the rear there, it's got like the little hoops, and you can see that if you flip it forwards, it's in the high position, which makes the bottom bracket higher and the head angle steeper. And if you've got it in the low, the bottom bracket's lower and the front end's slacker. The way I have mine set up now is because this bike is a 160 front and back, but I've put 170 up front. So what I've done is I put it into the high position, so it makes the bottom bracket higher, and then the head angle steeper. But because I put more travel on, it pretty much takes it back to where it was if it was in a low position. So it's kind of a bonus. You get more travel and a higher bottom bracket for more clearance. Overall, this bike is insane. The capabilities are beyond my capabilities. It just handles everything so well. It's super stable. The longer reach, it's just, yeah, I feel so comfortable on it, and it's an amazing bike. The hub, also running the Spank Hex Drive J-type hubs. They are crazy, they sound so cool. I'll put in a clip of the sound now. So here's what the hub sounds like. Sounds so nice. And now I think it's time to show you what it's capable of. Here are some riding clips on this jump and other places.